happy day. Today I am going to discuss about chapter 1 function book back question and answers. So choose the best answer. The first one mark is the small section of code that are used to perform a particular task is called subroutines. Already we saw in this function definition. So the small section of code means what? Some set of statements. Okay. So that is called as what? Subroutines. Then second question is, which of the following is a unit of code that is often defined within a greater code structure that is called as what? Function. Okay, unit of code means function. Then third question, which of the following is a distinct syntactic block? Different syntactic block means what? It is a definition. Okay, it is what? It is a definition. Okay, so definitions are distinct syntactic blocks. Then fourth question, the variables in a function definition are called as what? Parameters. Already you know, in function definition, all the variables are called as what? Parameters. Then next, the values which are passed to a function definition are called arguments. Okay, the values which are passed to a function definition, that value is called as what? Arguments. Then which of the following are the monotony to write the type annotations in a function definition? Okay, so that means parameter with the type la பார்த்தோம் நம்ம எப்பவுமே ஒரு டேட்டா டைப் நம்ம கிரியேட் பண்ணும்போது கண்டிப்பா parenthesis bracket வந்து important. So parenthesis bracket இல்லாம ஒரு டேட்டா டைப் நம்மளால கிரியேட் பண்ண முடியாது. So this is important. Next, which of the following defines what an object can do? Already you know, interface is defined what an object can do. So answer is what? Interface. You can see the interface. Okay. The next one is, which of the following carries out the instruction defined in the interface? Okay. So implementation. Implementation என்ன பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா interface கொடுக்கிற instructions carry பண்ணிட்டு and the light வந்து glow ஆகும். ஓகேவா? So internal working is an what? Implementation. Interface is like a switch. Okay. The next, the function which will give exact result with the same arguments are passed called pure functions. அதாவது same inputs கொடுக்கும்போது நமக்கு எக்ஸாக்டான ஒரு ரிசல்ட் கிடைக்குது இல்லையா? That is called as what? Pure function. At the same time, the function which pass side effects to the arguments passed. Same inputs நம்ம கொடுத்தாலும் we will get different output. So it occurs side effects. That is called as what? Impure function. Okay, once again recall that one more question. Small section of code means what? Subroutines. Unit of code means what? It is a function. Then third question, distinct syntactic block is what? Definition. Variables in function definition is what? Parameters. And then values which are positive function definition, that values are called as what? Arguments. And then parenthesis bracket is very, very important. Then next, which of the following defines what an object can do? Interface defines object, what an object can do. Then carries out the instruction defined in the interface, that is called implementation. Okay, so same arguments now pass பண்ணாலும் you will get exact result, that is called as pure function. One of the examples, sin 0 is a input value, you will get the output for 0. Okay, then the functions which cause side effects to the argument passed are called. அதாவது ஒரு சேம் இன்புட்ஸ் நம்ம கொடுத்தாலும் நமக்கு டிஃப்ரெண்ட் அவுட்புட்ஸ் நமக்கு கிடைக்கும், அது வந்து impure function. அதனால நமக்கு சைடு எஃபெக்ட்ஸ் வரதுக்கு வந்து சான்சஸ் இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? ஸோ impure function அப்படிங்கிறது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நமக்கு டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ரிசல்ட் கிடைக்கும். அதுக்கு ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் என்ன பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா டைம். இப்போ நம்ம டைம் அப்படிங்கிற ஃபங்க்ஷன் நம்ம எக்ஸிக்யூட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா கரண்ட் டைம் நம்ம டிஸ்பிளே ஆகும். இன்னொரு 2 செகண்ட்ஸ் கழிச்சு நம்ம எக்ஸிக்யூட் பண்ணோம்னா வேற டைம் நம்ம டிஸ்பிளே ஆகும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ சேம் ஆர்குமெண்ட்ஸ் நம்ம பாஸ் பண்ணாலும் it will get different output. That is called as what? Impure function. Next, let us see 2 more question. Fifth question, which of the following is a normal function definition and which is a recursive function definition? First, let us see first sum. Let REC sum xy. Let means what? It is a function keyword. REC means what? It is a recursive function keyword. So REC means what? Recursive function keyword. So this is recursive function. Next, going to next, let DISP. Let is a function keyword followed by function name. There is no recursive function, recursive keyword. So this is normal function. Then third one, let REC sum num. Let is a function keyword. REC is what? Recursive function keyword. So this one is also recursive function. So ஒரு கோடிங்ஸ்ல வந்து let மட்டும் இருந்தது அப்படின்னா that is for normal function. let ஓட rec அப்படிங்கிற keyword இருந்தது அப்படின்னா that is called as what? Recursive function. The next one, part 4, second 5-mark question. See here, one program is given. Let rec gcd ab if a b greater than less than 0, then gcd b of a mod b else return a. Okay, let is here function keyword. So this is for what? Function program. Okay, so what is the name of this function? Yes, function name is what? GCD, because let is a function keyword, rec is a recursive keyword followed by function name. That function name is what? GCD. Identify the statement which tells it is a recursive function. So let rec gcd. So this is a recursive function. Name of the argument variable means what? ab. ab is a variable. Okay, ab means what? Variable. So this is for the name of the argument variable. The next one, statement which invoke the function recursively. Okay, so நமக்கு எது execute ஆகும்? gcd b of a mod b, இதுதான் நமக்கு எக்ஸிக்யூட் ஆகும். ஓகே, சோ ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் which terminates a recursion return a. நமக்கு terminate ஆகும்போது நமக்கு வேல்யூ என்ன ரிட்டர்ன் பண்ணும்? a. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. Okay, thank you. I hope you are understand this topic. So thank you.